Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you my latest build, which is a model of a Seahawk jet, which was originally used by the Royal Navy in the 1950s. The glider has been scratch built from plans which were designed by my good friend Craig Clarkstone of Jetworks Online. It's got a 1.5 metre wingspan and came out at 1.3 kilograms. The whole build is from balsa wood, apart from the wing spars which are hardwood and the canopy which has been vacuum formed. The design is completely untested, as this is the first model built from this new set of plans. I was really eager to test fly the model, but the wind wasn't quite in the right direction from my normal slope, so I flew it from a less than ideal spot with lots of rocks around and not much of a landing area. The wind was blowing only about 10 miles an hour, so I had to fly it as smoothly as I could, and I know that the glider would perform even better in a stronger breeze.